In this video, I'm going to share with you every single trade I took for the month of March and how I was able to get 10% profit on a $200,000 funded account while having a 50% win rate. Okay, so as you can see right here, started off the month very strong, got myself in a $11,569 hole, which was, just fantastic. But losses are a part of trading and you have to calculate that and know that long-term you will be successful with the strategy you've chose. After that, I was able to get into profit $14,000, then come down to negative $902, and then finished off the month strong, getting $20,000 in profit in a total of 40 trades. You can see here I started on March 1st, 2023. And this challenge ends in 6 days. Average profit here is 2,828. Average loss is 1,400. Average risk to reward ratio is a 1-to-2. And my win rate is 45%. I'll explain why that's different than my journal in just a second. Here you can see the profitability of every single day. Of all of the days, I had 10 profitable days and 5 negative days. This first one was just to test the lot sizes on the account. Now, for those of you that do not use one of these or do not know what this is the TTF trading journal that we offer with membership. It's fantastic. Drop-down menu of every single asset you want to trade, the session that you're trading, the date that you're trading, whether it was a long or short, your stop loss, whether you won, lost, or break even, risk to reward ratio, take profit, and the results, whether you made money or lost money, percentage gain, as well as an area to drop your trading view pictures like this. So I'm going to share this section with you guys in a downloadable link down below, and you'll be able to click on every single one of these trading view screenshots and see every single one of my trades. What's cool also is it gives me statistics for London session as well as New York session. Statistically, my win rate in New York session is 100%, so I should only be trading New York session from now on, according to these stats. But you can see out of all of the trades I actually took, not the random small trades or errors or mistakes that I made. These are the trades that I intentionally took with my stop loss and take profit. You can see I had 18 winners and 18 losses, with a win rate of 50% and a total gain on the account of 20,190. The calculation's a little bit off, which was my main error during this entire month, is moving my stop loss, moving my take profit, closing early. I could have had dramatically more money had I just entered my trades and let them play out. But that's why it's important to do these journals, to see where you're making your mistakes and what you could have done differently. Now here you can see this is my MT4 account. Every single trade is journaled right here. You can see these like small little ones where I was like opening and closing small positions because I was adjusting my charts and everything. So there's like a bunch of little small ones, which is why it said I had more trades than I actually took. But every single trade was entered using this risk calculator. Basically, you just risk 1% or 0.5% or whatever percent of your total account balance. This automatically calculates. And then your risk to reward ratio, whether you're trading a 1-to-2, literally just click the buy and sell button. For example, you want to sell a position right here. You just drag your stop loss and it'll automatically calculate the volume as well as your risk to reward, your stop loss, and your take profit. So once you click send order, it'll automatically calculate everything for you, which is why you can see I have very random lot sizes. It was just dependent on when I wanted to enter and where the swing high or swing low was. Should have entered a short position there. Your eyeballs see these things eventually. Now for the bad news of the month and why it was a complete failure for me. So right here when I had this down day and I got down to negative $902, I had entered 5 trades that day. Each trade was pretty much risking 1%, total of 5%. Now I want to explain to you what I did wrong. When you use the risk calculator and you set your stop loss to the bottom of a swing low and then click send order, it will automatically enter your position. So you can see right here, this is my stop loss, right? I just placed a baby trade on this account. So it's negative $9 right now. And because when I enter my trades, I usually move my stop loss immediately to a higher level so that I automatically risk less money. But then when price starts coming down to my stop loss, I manually move it back to where it was. This small discrepancy is what screwed me over. Because it wasn't where exactly it was before, it could be plus or minus, 2 or 3 points. But with the lot sizes that I was trading and the 5 trades that I took that day, and you guys know the objectives of funded accounts that you can't go over 5% daily drawdown. And so my daily loss limit was 10,000 and I went over by $778.89. So my daily loss was exceeded. So I did not pass this funded account challenge. Again, everything that I did this month could have been improved. Now that I have the data and the information and all of my trades and what they could have potentially done and the mistakes that I made, I can now make improvements going forward. So I will be doing this again, but I won't start until the end of April, and I'm going to be using Funder Pro, simply because once I pass and I maintain that 10% per month, I can scale the account up to $5 million. And I think it would be insane being able to trade a $5 million account. Plus, there's no time limits. So I really appreciate that, especially with my schedule. Trading this whole last month has just been crazy for me with all of my other obligations. Of the last 17 trading days, I've traded 14 of them. And as you guys saw, I could have not traded 5 of those days because they were just bad trading days. I didn't see a setup, but I forced it anyway. Plus, I'm really going to consider doing my back testing over New York session and see if I should stop trading London and just stick to New York, because I know it's just 3 trades, but the statistics dominated my London session trading, which warrants some back testing and putting some time and energy into it. I will need to adjust my schedule. So if you want to get this trading journal as well as the risk calculator, it's a part of the membership of the Trading Floor company that I helped start. Link is down below. This trading journal is also linked down below, so you'll be able to see all of my trades for all of last month. And if you want to learn what strategy I was using for a majority of the month, check out this video right here. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.